You might not know, but fishing tackle organization is something that I really enjoy. And I'll be honest, I probably reorganize tackle more than I should. Plusinno reached out and asked if I wanted one of their fishing rod rack organizers. And well, I could not have been happier. Having Old Trusty and the backups in a safe, secure, and out-of-the-way space where not-so-good drivers, bouncing basketballs, and neighborhood kids who raid the garage for tackle is a must. Getting and receiving the 2-pack version made my day. I want my rods and reels attached high on the wall so only I can grab them, but out of the way to prevent any injury. This fishing rod rack is easy to install, and when it's up, it's a beautiful thing. It holds 9 rods and offers an adjustable eccentric circle design that grips your fishing rods. They will be safe and secure. They come as a 1, 2, or 4-pack. The 1-pack can be done as a vertical rod rack, whereas the 2 can be done vertical or horizontal. The 1 piece is $22.99 and the 2-pack is $37.99. This is a fantastic gift for any angler. And if you use the code PLG20, you'll save 20%. For more information or to purchase one, check the link in the description below.